This might be totally obvious, but it might help somebody, so I'm gonna make the video anyway. These pliers, these long needle nose pliers, have been frozen for a while, so you know, they're hard to open even with two hands. But I just sprayed some WD-40 on here and spray it right at the joint. See where that circle is? Right here. Spray it right here. Let it soak in. Okay. On both sides. But then also, when you open the pliers, spray it where the metal, you know, in the grooves. And then open and close it several times. I'm doing this one-handed, obviously you'll do this with both hands. You got one hand on the camera. Now if that doesn't work, 301 oil will work too, but there's this stuff, and it's called PB Blaster. And this stuff is amazing. It will get anything unlocked, in my experience. And if it doesn't, then it's just frozen, like there's no way you're getting it off. But this stuff will work, and it may take some time. But this stuff smells to high heaven, so I tend not to use it inside the house when I don't have to. WD-40 smells bad enough. So, and then here's the rust release version. But the regular WD-40 worked. So there's some options for you. Have a great day. If this had any value, smash like. Thanks.